Today, we will learn how to enable two-step verification on your Gmail account. This is one of the most important security steps because if someone gets your password, two-step verification can still protect your account. Let's begin. Open your mobile phone, go to Google, then type Google Account Settings. Click on the first link. Now it will take you to the Google Account Settings screen. Here, click on your profile icon at the top right. Now click on Manage Your Google Account. You will see multiple options here. You need to select Security and Sign In. Now scroll a little, and you will see two-step verification. Since mine is already enabled, it may look different on my screen. But on your account, you will see the option to set it up. So click on it. Now, Google will ask you to enter your Gmail password. Enter your password. After that, you will land on the two-step verification screen. Scroll down a little. Now you will see the option Turn on two-step verification. Click on it. My screen may show Turn off two-step verification because mine is already activated. But for you, it will show Turn on. Follow the instructions, verify your phone or device, and complete the setup. And my friends, you have successfully enabled two-step verification on your Gmail account. Now your account is much safer. And even if someone gets your password, they won't be able to access your account easily. This small step can protect your emails, photos, contacts, personal information. So make sure you enable it today and keep your account secure.